Fine. So once we complete this, you got the other things to install. This one that we have done so far is just we have updated all the softwares that are needed. Remember, this command I executed after these two commands. Okay, I did not install or I did not execute shutdown yet. Now comes R. So I'm copying this and going back, right click, paste. Why? It should be very quick. So now you are installing R. Remember, if you want to work on R engine is what you are installing. On the top of that, we will install the UI. The UI is called R Studio. R Studio cannot work if you have not installed R engine. That's what we are doing now. So now we are installing R engine, the core R from CRAN. Okay, CRAN is the site like Apache where they keep all these softwares. You can select R. You can just search for R. Mostly the college graduates who are coming nowadays out, they know R well. No? You're advanced. You're advanced. Okay. So the version, as you can see, it is R 3.5 complete. And now we have to install R Studio. How will you install? Go to the browser and then I have given you a site, and do not go to the site and download any version. Why? Because there is a problem with the version. You should select the version less than 2.14. I will show you how to do that. Click on this. Not click, it's not working. So right click, copy, and go to the browser and go to the site that you have just seen. Press enter. I'm making the screen a little bit bigger here so that you know what you're doing. Okay, so plus. Do not install this one. Do not install this one. And if you come a little bit down, you will see compatible with older Linux systems with glibc less than 2.14. You have to select that. It is written there on the note. Why? We are using CentOS 6. I mentioned to you the operating system of the virtual machine. That is not compatible, or that is not having this glibc library. So we need that version which is supporting that, and download the 64-bit installer. It will be an RPM file. If you look at the extension, it is called RPM. It is like exe and DMG. So I'm installing that. So the RPM is installed inside, or it is in the downloads directory. So what I need to do is, what I need to do is go here, your window, and then go to the downloads directory from the home, RPM minus IVH. It is already written in the file, and the name of the file is, where is the file? ls. I think it didn't download. Let me check. 64-bit installer. It is less than this one. Oh, save file. Sorry. Save file. Yes. Now it is installed, and go to the virtual machine, right? And then RPM minus IVH, and see that RPM file. Press enter. Okay. You should have the sudo privilege to do that. So type sudo. Now you can see the RStudio is getting installed. Right? RStudio is there. Go back to your code. come out of this, and then there is vi ravi.r. I'm going to keep this one. Copy. And what is this doing? Just like your Java, when you are importing utility.jar, in the similar way, you are importing in R, it's called packages. So I'm going to start R now. If everything is okay, you should get the R Studio. If you make any mistake in any of the steps that we have seen, it will be wrong. And ignore update. Don't update at all. If you update, it will not work. I told you the glibc extension tree. And now see the fun. I am going to make the right click, Control V, so that I am pasting all that packages. So you can see one by one, it is now going to download the R packages. What is R packages? Every analytical package is available free in R, where in SaaS and etc., you may be paying $10,000 to $50,000 for each package. Everything free on R. So if you want an R package for linear regression, you will just install that package. If you want R for, let's say, doing a graph, you will download that package. So I'm doing and the install packages, and you can see it is finally telling done. That means it's installed, and then it will go through the other packages, and finally it will show me the prompt. Wait till the prompt is coming. Let it download everything, and you can see that complete or that prompt greater than symbol will come. Okay, if it is paused in between, don't do anything. Why? Because it is downloading the file. So see, the pause has come and everything is installed. Now what I'm going to do is going back to that same file, and I am going to write this line, text equal to read line, okay, file.choose, and see what is happening. Very interesting. Look at this from now. Paste. Oh, sorry. Okay. I think this is not copied. So I have to copy this, right? Copy. And then go back to your window where your RStudio is there, and then paste that line. See what is happening. See, file chooser. In R, it is asking for you the file. Before I am doing it, I am going to do one thing. Okay, where is your output? Come on, where is your output? November 4 out, right? Hadoop output. I want to bring it to the local. How will I bring it to the local? Hadoop fs get or copy to local. Okay. What is the file name? November 4 out / part star to dot. What I am doing? Current directory. I am copying it, and let us see whether it is copied or not. ls, yes, right? Now I am coming back here. RStudio has asked me the file, this one. Go to the Cloudera folder. Select that. So what does that mean? It read that text. And now I forgot what is the file. Sorry, I think I have to do one more time. My data equal to read.csv. This is the original code. Okay, so I have to copy this file.choose, copy, and RStudio, and I'm going to paste that one. Control V, and then give that part.r.0. Go to the Cloudera folder, part-r-000, and click on open. Right now, you can see on the right hand side it has read that one. Okay, and slash T0 is the next line. So slash T0. So here I have to change the code. You have to look at the value. It is slash T0. So I will put here slash T0, and I am going to copy this line. Right click, copy, right, and I will come back to RStudio, and then let us paste that. My data dollar star. Where is a mistake? Where is that mistake? My data dollar star. One minute. In the RStudio, I can do this. My data equal to read.csv file.choose. Okay, I want to see the data inside this one. File.choose, and then press enter, and then go to the Cloudera, and then see part R000, which is coming from Hadoop. Word X0. Okay, good. So now I am going to write that command again. Read.csv file.choose, and then Cloudera, and then part R00, and I am going to write here X0. That is the mistake, right? My data is there, and then I am going to keep this one, right? And I will copy this, Control C, right click, copy, and then right here and Control V. Could not find function word count. I know. Okay, we have not installed the package. Don't worry. Okay, so what we need to do is we have to go back to that old window, right? It should be very clean if suppose you follow that the file that I have given you. So go to CD your MapReduce reference, go to CD analytics, and then ls vi, is it ravi.r? Where is that word count package? Yes, this is the word cloud package. So I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste this one. So Control C, right click, copy, and come here into the RStudio, and let us do it one more time. Control V, and then install. It should be doing the word cloud. So earlier it was not, it didn't execute that word cloud. That's why. Okay, now it is installing the word cloud package unpacked, and yeah, word cloud is done. Yeah, color brewer is also done. And now let us go. What is the data? My data equal to this one, and then go to the Cloudera, and then select part 000, click open, and after that come to your code. Where is the code? It is in this one, no, this one, yeah. Escape shift Z. Where is it? Vi cloud.r, and see, I did not copy it. rm minus rf dot cloud.r.swap clear vi cloud.r, and inside the cloud.r, now let us type this one and see whether it is working or not. Copy, and then Control V, press enter. Error in, okay, some method is failed. It should not come, but there is some problem either in the data or this one. So what is the problem? Let me check. Set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. My data word, my data $x0. Yes. Minimum frequency is 1 root per. Okay. Tail of words equal to I. It is my data only, right? My data is the data. My data equal to file.choose. One more time. File system. Cloudera. Part dash r dash 000. And then I have to check this. Actually, that error should not come. You should be getting a word cloud, a nice, beautiful word cloud with the twinkle and this thing, right? So what did we do? Ingestion of the data, MapReduce. In the MapReduce, you did the transformation of the data to get into a column and ID that you want, and then brought in an analytical tool. From the analytical tool, you connected into the file system where the output is written, and then showed the analytical graph. You can see the data. See, please look at this data. So if I write here my data, and then if suppose I look at the read CSV file and press enter, look at and give the file name. Look at this part-r-000. Look at that. Word x0 little 3 star 2 twinkle 3. Oh, I think I know the problem, because that comma is not there in the output. That is the whole reason. There is no comma separated value file. Let's look at our output. What happened to our output? It should have printed the comma separated value file also, right? So vi part dash, it's in the home folder. Vi part dot 000. Yes, the comma is there. So somewhere that comma is getting removed. That is a problem. I think it is because of some other code that has come in. Let me do one thing. File, quit RStudio, and don't save, and then again RStudio, and let us do one more time, just trying. Okay, so because we are very close with the output. This is the file, right? And this is the code. Where is the code? cd MapReduce reference, cd analytics, vi cloud.r, and then let us try to do this. My data, control C, command C, and then RStudio, and RStudio, and then control V. Okay. No. A problem with the keys in the virtual machine. So this one, right click, copy. Now you can press control C. What is that? Control V. Yes. My data. Yeah. My data. And Cloudera, and then part-r-000, open. So it has printed that values, and now let us see this one. Right click and then copy, and come back to RStudio, and then control V, and let's see. Again, word cloud is the problem. Okay, wait. Shift Z, vi ravi.r. How will you install the word cloud? Just copy this 4 again, and then import it. Right click, copy, and then RStudio, and then this one. The reason is I closed it and the session has gone. That's why we need to do it one more time. You can permanently install it by going to the options and all. Okay, don't worry about that. Just you try to replicate currently what I'm showing, and then later you can change it. Library color viewer. Okay, now let's see whether any luck is there or not. So file chooser, Cloudera, and part-r-000 created, and now execute this particular command. No, there is some graphical error which we have to check. Grepl tails of words I think that file is not having that character is getting trimmed. I will check that and I will let you know. But it is printing the output correctly. Okay. So